But we got some exciting things. Let's open them together, shall we? I know you've seen the packaging, and man, I need to sharpen this knife. It is dull. So let me get this out of the packaging. We'll go from there. Alright, so I've opened them to where I can just grab them. Have not seen it yet. Oh man. These are gonna go great on the Husky. Match that blue slave cylinder really well. Here's the rear one. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So we got the wheels. Let's see what's in here. Got some heavy duty tubes. We got a Neutron tire changing toolkit. We'll open that up in a minute and go over what's in that. Rim lock nuts and spacer. They're blue to match the wheels. Some nipples, blue nipples. Blue nipples. More blue nipples. We're gonna respoke these wheels instead of the silver spokes. Couple tools to help with changing tires and tubes. Rim lock. Another rim lock, front and rear. Rubbers, rubbers. Your washer for the front sprocket. More tools for changing tires. Here's our spoke kit. This is for the front. I believe the rear is out of stock still at the moment. These are black. Black spokes. These nipples obviously aren't getting used. The blue ones are. More tire changing tools. And then a wheel balancing and tune stand for when we change out the spokes. And we got the spoke torque wrench also. That'll be nice and come in handy. We already have that. That'll be good use. One more. We've got our front and rear rotors. We're gonna need hardware for those. Rabaconda tire changing stand. I have heard very good things about these. So we'll get that all put together and we'll show you guys.